Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my next tutorial on Python programming. In this video, I will cover many topics. In this video, I will divide the whole video in three sections. In the first section, I will show you how to use Python shell for your basic operations. In the next section, I will show you commands in Python and escape sequence. And in the last section, I will show you how to declare a variable in Python. So let's start with the first section. Click on the Python shell and write down your operations. Like I want to print a message. Now I am using print function to print a message. Like I want to print hello world. Now you can see I am using print function to print a hello bird and press the enter, then it's showing a message. Now you can print many messages hello with \n. Like this. If you want to execute your arithmetic operations on Python shell, then write down arithmetic addition like this. Now listen, as I told in my last video, in Python 3, in integer division, it gives you a fractional value or a float value. If I divide 5 by 2, then it gives 2.5. But in Python 2, it gives only 2 integer value. Now you can implement logical operation as well on Python shell and many operations. I am just taking some few examples like this. As we all know, for logical operations or Boolean logical operations like true and true, then we all know true and is equal to true. If you implement plus operation in Boolean, then what will happen? Then it gives true, because of we all know true means 1 and false means 0. Here it is taking 1 plus 1 and gives you 2. If I use false plus true, then 1, because of 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. In this next section, I will show you Python commands. So create a new file. Now, if you want to inline comment, like comment in single line, then you can use hash mark before your comment. Like comment, and comment never execute while you are executing your program. So like Save this file. Sample. Run this. Now you can see only my print function is executing. Comments never execute. You can also put a comment here like inline print or any other. Now if you want to use multiple line comments in Python, then use 3 quotes before your comments and write down comments in comment. And close. Now I will print a message. Save again. Print. So message is printed like this. Now I will show you how to keep sequence in Python like this. If I print this message and then hello. But if you want to print the whole message, you can add backslash here. Print. Now you can see hello in this. So this is known as escape sequencing in Python. Now in the last section I will show you how to declare a variable in Python. So in Python there is no command to declare a variable, and there is no need to classify the data type of your variable. Just assign the value to a variable like a is equal to 2 and print a. Equal to 2.4 and b this. So there is no need to classify what is the type of your variable, like it is integer, float, string, char or etc. Now if we print c is equal to yes, it is a string. You can also check the type of a variable using type function like print, and you can, there is no need to type print function, type of c. So you can see the c is the object of class string. If I print same for a, now you can see the class integer. Now declare as list. Check the type of this. Now you can see the type of list D is also a list. Means list underscore D is an object of class list. So you can check your variable using type function. For this video, then please Do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.